Next up, we have Farzana Afzal. Farzana is a community activist who runs a women's organisation called Creative Minds Media. She is an article writer and a poet and writes on social issues and does political analysis. She is also a social media influencer, speaking on several topics and making inspirational vlogs. By profession, she is a real estate professional, but at heart, she is a proud mother of 3 successful grown-up children, mashallah.
Thank you so much, everyone. And I'm sure you're all enjoying the evening so far, and so have I been. And I've got a couple of poems, and I've translated them in English as well. And I thought actually I could get away with just the Urdu poetry, the original one, but Sophie has urged me to read the translation since I have got it. So let's just get it ready. I will present a brief Urdu. Actually, I write prose poetry, so I will just present to you a very brief, it's a thought, and then the 2 short poems, which I will present the translation. So you're ready? बिछड़ने का इरादा था तो मुझसे साफ कह देते. बिछड़ने का इरादा था तो मुझसे साफ कह देते. ज़रा सी बात पे क्या एक फसाने की ज़रूरत थी. हमारे दरमियां तो एक मामूली सी रंजिश थी. हमारे दरमियां तो एक मामूली सी रंजिश थी. तुम्हें शायद किसी ऐसे बहाने की ज़रूरत थी. Thank you. It's about when someone is just looking for an excuse to abandon you or to give up on a relationship. Okay. The next one is also a very brief thought. The topic is तवाज़ुन. मेरे आंगन में फूल नहीं खिलते. मेरे आंगन में फूल नहीं खिलते, और जो खिलें तो जल्द मुरझा जाते हैं. मेरे आंगन में फूल नहीं खिलते, और जो खिलें तो जल्द मुरझा जाते हैं. किसी ने कहा मैं पौधों को बहुत सेंचती हूँ. किसी ने कहा मैं पौधों को बहुत सेंचती हूँ, शायद इसीलिए मोहब्बत भी मुझसे रूठ जाती है. गुलिस्ताने दिल वीरान कर जाती है. Now I've got the English version of that. The topic is balance, and it's a thought. In my courtyard, flowers do not bloom. In my courtyard, the flowers do not bloom, and those that do wilt away too soon. Someone said, I water the plants too much. Perhaps that is why love too turns away from me, leaving the garden of my heart desolate. Thank you. Thank you. This is the last one. I wrote that actually last night. This fresh from the oven, hot from the oven. So this morning, 1:30 in the morning, I wrote that. The topic is आँखें. वो आँखें जिनमें कभी मेरी मोहब्बत का अक्स नुमाया था. वो आँखें जिनमें कभी मेरी मोहब्बत का अक्स नुमाया था. वारफ्तगी रक्स करती थी और अपनायत बसेरा किए हुए थी. वो आँखें जिनमें कभी मेरी मोहब्बत का अक्स नुमाया था, वारफ्तगी रक्स करती थी और अपनायत बसेरा किए हुए थी. मगर अब जब उन आँखों की तस्वीर देखती हूँ तो उनमें अजीब अजनबियत, शिकारी किसी चालाकी, भेड़िए किसी सफ़ाकी और चीते किसी अयारी नज़र आती है. मैं गहरी उलझन में मुब्तला हूँ कि उन आँखों के बदलते रंगों में कौन सा रंग हकीकी था या फिर उन आँखों में जो मोहब्बत का साया था वो दरअसल मेरी ही आँखों पर पड़ा एक हसीन फरेब, एक दिलकश पर्दा था। थैंक यू सो मच। So I will just present the English translation of this and then I will be off. Thank you. The topic is eyes. Those eyes in which once the reflection of my love was prominent. Those eyes in which once the reflection of my love was prominent. Ecstasy used to dance and belonging made its home. But now, when I look at the picture of those eyes, I see a strange unfamiliarity in them. The cunningness of a hunter, the cruelty of a wolf, and the slyness of a leopard. I am in a deep confusion as to which color was real. In the changing colors of those eyes, or perhaps the shadow of love that was upon those eyes was actually a beautiful deception, a charming veil cast upon my own eyes. Thank you so much. Enjoy the evening. And before I go, I would like to thank South Manchester Muslim Working Group and Sophia and Rehan for organizing this wonderful evening. And big round of applause for Sophia and Rehan. Thank you once again. Enjoy the evening.